Okay, so this is the installation of the Gen 2 Oil Catch Can by McNally on a Ford F150 Lariat with 3.5 Ecoboost twin turbo. The mileage is 21,063. Okay, so we're going to start with the installation of the can, and what we have here is a bolt already on the firewall here mounted, so a bracket can come from the firewall here to hold our can. Okay, and so here is our inline for the dirty air to be pushed from the PCV point. Okay, and then so our secondary line is going to come from the second side port of the can to the throttle body fitting, which is right behind the throttle body into the intake manifold. Okay, and so with our third line, what we did is ran from the third line, we teed off into the turbo side inlet, the left side inlet, and from the tee, we teed into the sensor, which allows for no engine lights or anything like that, to the second drive side port. And so far, everything seems to be good. The vehicle's running great. Basically, that's about it. Okay, so again, this is the PCV side, the right side of the engine, which is dirty air coming from the crankcase. And what we're going to do here is follow that on back to this second hose here, well, first hose. It's going to run to the center inlet, which is the in port. And then, of course, we have our second line here, which runs here to the throttle body, which is putting clean air back into the engine. Okay, and then so from there, we have our third line here, which tees off into the turbo left side of the engine to the left side port of the engine. And so how we drain this can is there's a little knob on the top, if you will. Pull up, it will release the fluids in the bottom of the can into, I don't know if you can see it, there's a drain hose down there. And how we ran the drain hose, we're going to come out here down to the underside of the tire on the left side, and here is your drain port.